As always, it's a pleasure to give praise and honor to the Lord. And I thank God for waking us up this morning, the breath of life in our body, and good health, and a sound mind, and bring us here on one accord, the same mind, the same spirit. And I just thank Pastor Ron for having a morning ready for this ordinance this morning. You know, there's two ordinances in the church. That's communion and baptism. And thank God we're going to experience both of them today at the same time. Mm-hmm. That's not too often that we do that. We do baptism every Saturday, but have baptism, we do communion every Saturday. That's one ordinance, but the baptism is the extra cake of glory today. I just thank God for those, for my grandson coming here and ready to give his life to the Lord. And Pastor Ron tells me like 5, 6 others also get baptized today. That is a blessing. Yeah. So we're going to sit back and enjoy and be in one accord and bless them and support them as they come. And we just thank God for it. Amen.
Amen.